Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water dispenser cover in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water dispenser cover. The water dispenser is located on the left side of the fresh food compartment. The most common reason to replace the water dispenser cover is if the pad or the lever in the middle of the cover breaks, making it laborious to press the dispenser button behind it. To get to the part, we need to open both doors. Now I'd like to remove this shelf. I'm going to lift it up and remove this from the hooks at the back here. To remove the water dispenser cover, we need to use the putty knife. I'm going to place it underneath there in the seam. There are a couple of clips here at the bottom, and there's a few clips around the perimeter. Push it up and try to pull it out. It's kind of hard. Then hold it, don't let it go back in. And I'm gonna put it right here, push it in and pry it out. Go up. And it's off. Slide it down. This is the old water dispenser cover next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so I'm going to install the new water dispenser cover. If you can see, there's a bunch of clips here. And I'm going to slide this nozzle into the cutout here first. And I'm going to press it in. And now the shelf goes back in. I'm going to install the hooks at the back into the cutouts. Top first. And I'm going to let it down and press it to lock it at the side here. And now when we're done, we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.